Hey everyone, my name is Silvery. Welcome back to my channel. As it's festive season and Diwali has already started, I thought why not share this look with you guys which will help you create your own glam. So to start with, I'm going to use double serum from Clarins. This one is really very good. I've just taken shower. There's no makeup on my face or anything else. So my skin gets really very dry, so I always start prepping my skin, and today I'm using double serum by Clarins. It's really very good and hydrating. So I'm moving forward with the foundation, and this one is from Huda Beauty and the oil is from Colourpop. I have mixed both of them to give that healthy glow to my face because I find Huda Beauty foundation a bit dry on my skin. So that's the reason I have mixed both of them. So my current favorite concealers are from Too Faced and Tarte. The one I'm using right now is from Too Faced, Born This Way, and I also love Tarte Shape Tape. So both of them has really very good reviews, and that's the reason I started using it. And when I used it, I absolutely loved it because it has really very good coverage. So check them out if you want to. So I'm not going to bake today. I'm just going to apply a little bit of powder in the areas where I tend to sweat, mostly in my T-zone area. And the one I'm using right now is Banana Bread from Huda Beauty. So I really love contouring and bronzing my face, and the one right now I'm using is from Il Makiage in the shade Waka Waka. It's a mineral baked bronzer. I'm also using the powder contour today, and the one I'm using right now it's from I forgot the name. Anyways, so I'm going to leave all the products details in the description below. Don't forget to check them out. And I'm doing the contouring because I want that snatched look. So this nose ring I got from Claire's. It's really very pretty. I love it, and I hope, let's see if I'm going to use it today. So to start with, let me just apply some blush. So the blush right now I'm using it's from Pixie, and this one is in the shade Blossom. So guys, it's Diwali time, and Diwali is no fun when you stay away from your family, right? So this is the time of the year when I really miss India and my family the most. Okay, so I've almost done with my blush. I'm also going to apply my favorite highlighter, and this one is this one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy one, the one I showed you last time. So this one is a very good highlighter. This is one of my favorites. Wow. So without the highlighter, I feel the Diwali look is incomplete because I love to glow. I love to shine, especially during festive times. So here I am applying my highlighter all over my face. You also make sure that the highlighter is applied in the right areas, especially on your forehead, your high points of your cheeks, your nose and your chin. Let me just quickly wrap my towel again and come back. Okay, I am back. And so the last thing I did was, apply my highlighter. Just applying my highlighter. Let's start with eye makeup. And again, I'm going to start with the color Soft Shade. So as I told you last time, I always love to start with this soft color. So I'm applying the color Soft Serve on my crease, and I'm going to softly blend it. So it's a break time for me. So what I'm going to do is just scroll my Instagram. So let's apply the second color, and this one is from the palette Chilled from Makeup Revolution, and the color is Plant. I'm just going to apply the plant shade on my lid, on my entire lid. Yeah. So apply it all over your lid and just blend the colors together. So I want my eye makeup to be a little loud. So what I'm going to do is use a pressed glitter over the shade I just used. So I'm going to use the shade Goddess from the same palette and use it top of the color Plant. Look at the color, it looks so pretty. I really love it. And guys, you can apply any color of your choice according to your dress. So guys, if you remember, I created this look for Navratri, and if you just change like jewelry and tika on the chin, this will transform your look to Diwali look. This color looks so nice. I will also be sharing my Diwali look for the year 2021. So guys, please do not forget to check my Instagram where I will be sharing my Diwali look soon. So I have done my eyes. I'm going to quickly do my eyeliner. And I'm using the eyeliner from the brand Lakme. This one is the black liquid eyeliner. It's one of my favorites. So this is how the eyeliner looks like. Let me just finish this side and I'll come back. So I want my eye makeup to be like more highlighted. So I have used this mascara from Milk, and this one is a Kush mascara. This one is really very good. So before I start, I'm going to use this gel liner from Inglot. I'm going to use it under my eyes like this. And I'm applying the eyeliner, the gel eyeliner, with the angular brush that I'm using from Sephora. So this gel eyeliner from Inglot is one of my favorites. It glides on so well and the color is jet black. So if you haven't checked it out, please do check it out. And now I'm going to use the black eyeshadow on top of this Inglot one. So I'm going to blend that Inglot gel liner with this blackout. The black Turban Legend from One Size. So I'm repeating it again. I have used the gel eyeliner from Inglot and I have topped it with the black eyeshadow from One Size in the color Turban Legend. So this is how my eyes looks like. I'm not wearing any contacts today because I just don't want to. I really want to be very comfortable and and my eyes are brown, so it looks good in the lighting. I don't want to wear any contacts this time. So this is how it looks with the eyeliner, the lower lash eyeliner, and this one is without. Which one do you like? Please tell me in the comments if you like the one with the liner or without the liner. Wow, it looks really very pretty. I like it. Anyways, let me just finish up my second eye. So I'm going ahead with the lipstick, and this one is in the shade Trophy Vibe from Huda Beauty. So this is how the lip color looks like. It's looking really very good. You like it? If you want little shine on it, you can always use little gloss, Enchanted. I'm going to use very little, very little. So this gloss is also from Huda Beauty and the shade is Enchanting. So this is how it looks like with the gloss on. Looks really very pretty, but I have applied very little, like it just gives a shine and it looks very good. So this is how the makeup looks like. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Please let me know in the comment section what would you love to see me create next. So guys, if you really loved what I created today, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post next. Also, let me just quickly go change, do my hair and show you guys the complete look. So this is the final look. As I told you, this look was created for Navratri, but if you change the outfit and the tika on the chin, this will transform your look to Diwali. Lastly, I just want to wish everyone a happy Diwali. Thank you for watching.